Hello guys, today I'll be teaching you how to create your own IP resolving program in Visual Studio 2013. Without further ado, let's get started. Let me open up my Visual Studio. Okay, we will need to start a new project and then name it to IP address resolver. It's whatever you want. I'm just gonna call it IP address resolver Csharp, and I'm gonna choose Visual Studio Csharp. Right. First of all, I need to change this from sizable to fixed dialog and change the text to IP address resolver and make it load up in the center screen. So let's resize our form, add a label, a text box, a list box, or another text box would be better. List button. So when you have created your form and added all these, let's rename it host name, host name, and change the name of this to text host. Add this below it, add another label and name it to host IP. Oh yeah, leave that here. Resize your form, place the button here, name it resolve IP address, and the name of the button should be RSV button. Right. So basically, double click. Before that, go back to the form design. The host IP, make it the text box should be read only, so no one could type in it. Okay, so it's basically read only. Now we need to add a namespace before we start anything using system.net. Alright, let's get going. When the resolve button click, IP host entry equals to DNS dot get host by name. Then we add a text box, just text host dot text dot trim. You can add this if you want. I'm just adding it. Doesn't really matter. Oh, sorry. I need to add that, and I need to name this host. Right. So IP address is the address you're gonna get. Name your IP address equals to host dot address list. There we go. So basically, text box 2 dot text will be equal to IP address dot string, dot to string. I don't need these. I can just keep it like that. Right. So before doing that, I'm just gonna add a try function, so that if the host is unavailable or a wrong host entered, it shouldn't just give you an unhandled error or whatever. It should give you a message box telling you that. So message box dot show error resolving IP. Please check the host name. This will be called error. No, I need to add a semicolon. This is pretty much it. Let's give it a go. Right, let's say for example youtube.com, resolve IP address. What the fuck? Google.com, resolve IP. Right, I think I need to add something else. I'm not sure. Let's try it. Instead of using text box, you could use a list box. There we go. Okay. So here, for each of the IP address address in IP address, what's gonna happen is list box one dot items dot add is what it's gonna add is the IP dot to string, right, plus I'm gonna make it add the host name as well. Host name plus text box. Text host text. And then I'm gonna add that. So the string should be like that. Okay. It should work now. Let's give it a go. youtube.com. Yup, it's working. These are all the IP addresses for YouTube. Google.com. Get Google's IP addresses. So yeah, before that, as the button, I just want to add something else. The list box one dot clear, because I don't really like seeing all the IP addresses together. So it should be working now, and it should clear my IP address when I try and do something. So these are Google's. If I do facebook.com, it should clear it, and it should give me the IP address over here. So yeah, that's pretty much it, lads. Thanks for watching. I'll be adding the code in the description. So yeah, take care, and please rate, subscribe, and comment.